My dad just picked me up, sundo me from school. That means get me from school to go home.
Let's go. Ito.
My dad just picked me up.
Wanna eat? Where you wanna eat?
Oh, Chicago. Hot pot.
Ni. Mami din. Hindi natin, pagkasama na si Mami, saka tayo mag-hotpot. Hindi natin mauubos eh.
So guys, we are here. The monkey sa Enrico Mala.
Ganun mo lang. Ngayon na.
Wait. So guys, we got our IDs.
Ngayon na.
Yes, Mommy.
Ano yun?
Mami, magtanggal ba ko ipin?
Opo.
Okay.
Pa-check up kayo ni Daddy. After nyo mag-eat, diretso kayo doon.
Okay.
Okay, sige na.
Gusto mo ba mga sa lab? Kita ikot ako sa'yo. O tira na lang kay Katie.
Ano?
Tira na lang na Katie.
Oo, sige.
Sige na, konti na naman ito kumain. Sige na, bye-bye. Oh,
So guys,
tama.
this is my hairstyle
Hello?
today. Which is my dad telling me, well, this is my toilet. Okay,
Oo,
this is my
mag-ano muna kami
toilet.
sa bahay, syempre.
This is my toilet
Papalik muna kami sa bahay.
when I was like last
Oh.
year ago. This is me.
Ha?
And then my dad was so nervous, so
Ano?
he fixed my hair like a nervous
Uwi muna
person.
kami, syempre. Ang dami-daming dala.
You
Miss ko
spelled
ang
my
dala. Tapos
name
yung bag siya.
wrong. It is supposed.
Forget it.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wait for the food. So wait for part 2 in
Part 2? Are you Chinese?
part 2. What? Why? Part 2. So I'm gonna still remove my teeth after this. So wait for part 2. Okay. If we go home and charge this, we need to recharge it because this is like you need the battery. Food, bye bye. Go wait for part 2. We're gonna eat after the part 2. I mean, after this we're gonna eat if the food arrives. When we go home, we're gonna record. And then when we're gonna go to the dentist show. That's part 3. Bye-bye. I mean part 4. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Another one. With the pose.
Amen. Okay. Oh.
Say hi. Hi guys, we're going to start eating. That's it.
Imagine mo nakita ko
Ano?
si Kuya Lee.
Ano, makita mo ulit, no?
Tapos I will be
Time-lapse
so
tayo?
happy.
Time-lapse tayo?
No time lapse. No time lapse.
Matagal yan.
So it will be fair, Daddy, fair. New turn. Hindi manood properly. Hindi lang. I got that. Chicken and toyo or
Ano
soy sauce.
pinapanood mo, Caitlin?
That's K-drama. Okay?
Nari mo raw. Kasi ano? Ano yung kalamansi?
I don't need.
Oh my God.
Nag-brush ako sa washroom.
Mamaya. Ay! Yes. Ay! Wala ka pinandaran. Yun. Yun naman lata.
Ano sabihin na malata?
Yung parang siyang ano. Nakita mo kanina, di ba? Yung parang malambot sobra. Parang siyang basa. Ay, sa'yo maganda. Bibit ko.
Di masarap ba yung toyo with chicken?
Ano naman?
Or ketchup?
Tingnan mo.
Nalilito ako.
Ha?
Nalilito ako.
Ngayon, mang inasal, you can put in the toyo. Toyo with calamansi. What's the calamansi of yours? What did you put?
There. I don't want kasi.
Ah.
My food.
Say that he had you when he didn't even cast you. But don't worry, I already spoke to him. And when we didn't even initially because you had to. He's the important to
I'm gonna finish this one. I'm gonna finish. Ay, malata rin yung sa'yo. Yaman na. Yaman na. You can eat it naman, di ba?
Full.
Ay,
Ano?
sige na, sige na. Huwag mo na pilitin kung ayaw mo.
Ano ko sa toilet na? Nag-brush ako.
Ha?
Nag-brush ako.
Doon na sa bahay. Iwi muna tayo bago tayo pumunta ng dentist. No need.
No need na magbihis.
Huwag ka na magbihis. Doon ka nang i-drop natin yung scooter tsaka yung ano, bag mo. Ang bigat ng bag mo. Ngayon na ba? Gusto mo?
Ano na tayo?
Ha?
Sabi mo kay Mari, punta siya dito.
May duty siya.
Huwag po.
Pwede naman, mamaya. Ano ka na? Ma-consult muna tayo sa doktor.
I'm not toyo lover. Toyo
Some chicken.
lover. I already have. Chicken.
Chicken, not always toyo.
I eat toyo with chicken.
It's not Korean drama, eh. Filipino.
Filipino toyo drama. Pero they were just said it.